How to fix Amazon login issue. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is reset your password. Tap forgot password to reset it. Amazon may force a reset for security reasons. Follow instructions sent to email or phone linked to your account. Next thing you want to do is try a different device or browser. Switch between mobile app, desktop site or different browser, Chrome or Safari. Next, if you are using Amazon app, check for updates. So launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Amazon. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, check your internet and device settings. Make sure you are on a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data. Ensure your device date and time are accurate. Incorrect settings can disrupt login. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, you can contact Amazon support team. So close this and launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to the website Amazon support team. Now from here you can contact Amazon customer service team. And that's it. These are some fixes for Amazon login issue. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.